Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean calcium off faucets. First, gather your supplies. You'll need white vinegar, a spray bottle, and a soft cloth. Make sure your workspace is well ventilated to avoid strong odors. It's also a good idea to protect any nearby surfaces, like countertops, from accidental vinegar splashes. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe cleaning process for your fixtures. Now let's prepare the cleaning solution. Combine equal parts white vinegar and water in your spray bottle. Generously spray this mixture directly onto all visible calcium deposits on your faucet. For those really tough, built-up areas, soak a small cloth or paper towel in undiluted vinegar and wrap it securely around the affected part of the faucet. This allows for concentrated action. Once applied, let the vinegar solution work its magic. Allow it to sit on the calcium deposits for about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the severity of the buildup. The acidity in the vinegar will begin to break down the mineral deposits. After soaking, use an old toothbrush or a non-abrasive scrubber to gently scrub away the loosened calcium. Be careful not to scratch the faucet's finish. Finally, it's time to reveal your sparkling clean faucet. Thoroughly rinse the entire faucet with clean, fresh water to remove any remaining vinegar solution and loosened calcium. Next, use a soft, clean towel to dry the faucet completely, preventing new water spots. For an extra touch, give it a quick polish with a microfiber cloth to achieve a beautiful, streak-free shine. Enjoy your refreshed fixture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.